Before buying a cordless hot glue gun, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: Cordless Glue Gun Kit. First up is the Cordless Hot Glue Gun Kit. Priced at just $9.99, this little gem caught my attention with its impressive features for the price. If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly solution for DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. So why should you care about the Cordless Glue Gun? For starters, it heats up in just 1 minute thanks to its PTC ceramic heating system. This means you won't be waiting around forever to get started on your projects. Plus, the anti-drip nozzle is a game changer. It allows for precise application without the mess. Imagine not having to clean up glue spills after every craft. That's a relief. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The glue gun comes with 30 glue sticks, suitable for a wide range of materials from paper to wood. It's perfect for kids' school projects or home repairs without breaking the bank. With over 4,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, many users seem to agree that it delivers great value. Now, some people complained about the glue not holding as well on heavier materials. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for lighter crafts or quick fixes, this won't be a deal breaker. Just don't expect it to be a heavy-duty solution for industrial projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use glue gun for arts and crafts. Skip this one if you need something for more demanding tasks. For the price, it's honestly a steal. Now, if Cordless limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: ROMECH Dual Power Glue Gun. Next is the ROMECH full-size hot glue gun, priced at $22.46. This one stands out with its dual power feature that lets you switch between 60W and 100W if you want flexibility for both delicate and heavy-duty projects. This is definitely worth a serious look. The dual power outputs really solve your need for versatility. The 60W setting is perfect for crafting with delicate materials, maintaining a steady 300 degrees F, while the 100W option heats up to a hefty 410 degrees F. Ideal for wood and heavier materials. This adaptability means you can tackle a wide range of projects without switching tools. Plus, the copper nozzle ensures a smooth, mess-free glue flow, making your crafting experience a lot cleaner. Here's the thing though, if you're used to full-size tools, you'll appreciate the sturdy build. Just keep in mind it might not be as comfortable for prolonged use if you have smaller hands. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for various projects from crafts to repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and lightweight. For the quality and features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for detailed work. Product number 3: Surebonder Mini Glue Gun. Coming in third is the Surebonder Cordless Corded High-Temperature Mini Hot Glue Gun, priced at $16.09. This one grabbed my attention with its unique cordless feature. If you often find yourself needing to move around while crafting, this is definitely worth a serious look. The cordless design allows you to use it untethered for up to 2 minutes, which is fantastic for quick fixes. Simply lift it from the heating stand and you're good to go. And if you need continuous use, just plug it in. The detail tip provides precise glue placement, making it a favorite for intricate projects like model making or jewelry. With a rating of 4.5 stars and over 3,600 reviews, it's clear that crafters appreciate its functionality. Now, some users reported that the glue can cool down quickly in cordless mode, which can be a bit frustrating. But here's the thing, if you're working on small, quick projects, this won't be an issue. Just plan your timing and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you do detailed crafts and need mobility. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can keep running for longer periods. For the flexibility, it's well worth it. Now, if the previous product's cooling issue bothered you, this next one brings some serious power to the table. Product number 4: WRKPRO Cordless Glue Gun. Fourth on the list is the WRKPRO Pink Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun, priced at $35.99. This one caught my eye due to its impressive battery life. If efficiency and safety are your priorities, this is worth a serious look. What sets it apart is the quick heating time of just 30 seconds and a battery life of up to 60 minutes. This means less waiting and more crafting. Plus, the intelligent automatic shutoff feature after 10 minutes of inactivity is a huge bonus for safety and energy conservation. All these features make it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to get their projects done efficiently. With a 4.5-star rating, it seems to be a crowd favorite. Now, some users found the glue output speed to be slower than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're not in a rush and value precision over speed, this shouldn't deter you. It's all about what you need for your specific projects. This is perfect for you if you're a safety-conscious crafter who likes to work efficiently. Skip this one if you need something that dispenses glue at lightning speed. For its features, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was an interesting option. But the final product on this list might just take the cake for best overall value. Product number 5, MONVICT Smart Glue Gun. Last but not least is the MONVICT Smart Power Off Cordless Hot Glue Gun, priced at $24.21. The standout feature here is the automatic power off function. If you're prone to distractions while crafting, this is definitely worth a serious look. The built-in smart sensor shuts off the glue gun after 5 minutes of inactivity, protecting you from accidents and saving energy. Plus, it charges in just 1.25 hours and can run for up to 100 minutes. That's seriously impressive. It even comes with a magnetic base for easy storage and accessibility. With a solid 4.5 stars and over 2,500 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its safety features and performance. Now, some people mentioned it can take a bit longer to heat up compared to others. Here's the thing though, once it's ready, you have ample time to work thanks to the long battery life. If you can be patient for that initial heating, you'll be rewarded. This is perfect for you if safety and convenience are your top priorities. Skip this one if you need something that heats up instantly. For the features and peace of mind, it's a fantastic buy. So there you have it. The Cordless is great for budget-friendly needs, the ROMECH offers versatility, SureBonder is perfect for detailed work, WORKPRO focuses on efficiency and safety, and MONVICT brings smart features to the table. Whatever your crafting needs, there's something here for everyone.